Hiya. We're going to do a quick video when troubleshooting ILM Health. When you encounter the error, rollover alias X can point to multiple indices, found duplicate alias X in index template Z, how to troubleshoot that and how that ended up getting induced. So this is one of our common errors that ends up surfacing. And basically the docs tell you that you're supposed to set the rollover alias while bootstrapping the index and not earlier in the index template. So when following the Automate Rollover ILM guide, so outside of data streams, it tells you create a lifecycle policy, create an index template, and then bootstrap that index. What it's telling us is that in this command here, we're not supposed to set an alias. So there's only settings, there isn't an alias section. And then later, when bootstrapping the initial alias, there is supposed to be an alias down here. So it's that you got those two things swapped. So let's see it real quick on an 8.15 cluster. So I'm going to create a ILM policy for test purposes. It's just going to roll over after one doc. Our index template is going to include this alias section just as it told us not to. And then afterwards, we're going to create that index noting this request body is not actually running, it's commented out. So it creates successfully. And when we run ILM explain, the first index worked. So the issue doesn't actually surface until the index does actually trigger to rollover. And when it goes to rollover, then it's going to eventually realize that when attempting to create the second alias, or sorry, attempting to create the second index, now it's going to have an issue associating that alias because it's already accounting for that. So the way to fix this is just deleting off that section, rerunning ILM retry, and then it's fixed going forward. So now that index has rolled over, if we scroll down, the second index is not going to encounter the error anymore because that template has been fixed. So you're good to go.